Hello everyone, I am Sudhir Warkade and welcome to the channel. And in this video, we talk about the tocilizumab and sarilumab drugs. So, can tocilizumab and sarilumab prevent COVID-19 death? So, that is very interesting question. So, find out the answer. Please subscribe this channel now, and we will talk about this drug. So recent research conducted by Anthony Gordon and his colleagues at Imperial College London, and they research on two drugs, that is tocilizumab and sarilumab. So this is a clinical trials based research, and they are using the advanced technique and method, that is DMAP cap method. So DMAP cap is standard for randomized embedded multifactorial adaptive platform trial for community-acquired pneumonia. So the research concluded that the tocilizumab and sarilumab drug improved the survival rate of critically ill adult patient with COVID-19. So they are effectively worked on COVID-19 patient. This research said that, and the critically ill patient is those patients who confirmed COVID-19 and they are already in support system. So basically cardiovascular organ support or receiving these type of system, and they are in ICU. So these patients are called critically ill patients. So what are the tocilizumab and sarilizumab? So basically these are monoclonal antibody, and they block the effect of interleukin 6 receptor. So in cell on the membrane there is a receptor that is called interleukin 6 receptor. So they also called interleukin inhibitors because they block these type of receptor, and the activity of interleukins are reduced. So this is also called the anti-inflammatory drugs. So what is interleukin 6? So interleukin 6 is a pleiotropic cytokine, and the cytokines are a specific type of protein, and the pleiotrope, that means these cytokines effects on multiple cell type like mast cell, macrophage, dendrite cell, T cell and B cell. They activate these cell, and these cell are basically immunological machineries. And I already said that these are the protein. I mean to say that cytokines are the protein that help interaction between the cell or communication between the cell. So what causes the interleukin 6 in diseased condition or diseased patient? So basically in disease condition, the diseased cell continuously generate the interleukin 6 in a large quantity, and this induce the cell or tissue damage. So what does the drug? Basically these drug block the interleukin 6 receptors. So suppose this is a cell and this is a membrane, and here is the IL-6 receptor, and here is the drug, that is monoclonal antibody. So this is the monoclonal antibody. They bind there, so they bind there, and the interleukin 6. So these are the interleukin 6 cytokines. They did not bind because the monoclonal antibody bind at the receptor. So in this situation, these monoclonal antibody dampen the immunity response. So what are the recent findings? So in recent research says that in some patient with COVID-19 have tissue damage which is induced by their own immune response, and this immune response is regulated by the interleukin 6. So these are cytokines which activates the cells, and the monoclonal antibody stop these interactions. So here is the data of a clinical trial, and this trial is conducted by Anthony Gordon and his colleagues at Imperial College London. In this data you can see that the participants are COVID-19 positive, and basically they are receiving the organ support system like ventilation. The number of participants was 803 adults, and out of 803, 353 patients were given tocilizumab and 48 patients were given to sariluzumab therapy, and there is a control of 402 patients. So these patients were not receiving tocilizumab and sarilumab. So what is the finding? Are you excited to see the results? So here is the results. So this is tabular form, and this representing the death rate. So look at the control. Those patients who are not therapized by the tocilizumab and sarilumab, the death rate is highest, 36%, and the others like tocilizumab, the death rate was 28%, and sarilumab death rate was 22%. So basically in this data we can say that these drugs reduce the death rate, and this is very interesting uh, I think fact. And I must say that this result not have been peer reviewed, and their effect and possible interaction are still to be reported, but this results open the gate of new research. So thank you, and if you like it, please hit the like button and share with your colleagues or friends.